Hey guys, good morning. Now we're going to make a review. There's one box here. Okay guys, so this is the box. We're going to make a review in this cordless water gun, just for washing. So we can wash our old fishing gears when we're going to saltwater fishing, so to avoid rust. And okay, so we have here. So actually this one you can use everything, cleaning the household, gardens. So it's beautiful. You have the gun here. So what's right here is a water cannon, and you got two 36 volts batteries. Wow. And of course the charger, wall charger. So it might be how many outputs? 21 volts to 98 volts and 8 ampere. So have this said about 5 meters hose. Then the adapter, and we got there the accessories. Have the filter here and the adapter again, and there's two water directions, which is this one is wide and the other one is straight. And of course we have the clipper for the soap. So it's okay. Now let's try to assemble it. So try first this one. So put the gun here. Okay, can put this battery 36 volts, and can put this battery here. Okay, so this one for the hose. Okay, let's try it. This one also for the adapter for the sun, the water. Okay, that. Try to on if it's working. Oh, beautiful. So, okay guys, let's start. Try to clean our old fishing gears. Okay guys, now let's start cleaning our fishing gear. Let's have a look how strong the 400 psi, 35 liters per minute, according to the manuals. So first we're gonna put this wide range jet for cleaning the sensitive parts. Oh, nice. Good. Well, it's very strong. Not really strong, but still good pressure. Let's try this the fast or the single solid jet. For this one you can put the heat, and Okay, so nice, good pressure. Now let's try put the batter for the soup. Okay. So it might be this. Try. Okay. Now put this back. Scan. I just use this one. Too strong for the single, so I need the wide one. Okay guys, so it's a good one to have this stuff for cleaning the fishing gears. You can clean also to whatever you want. So it's about 400 psi, 35 liter per minute. It's just a bit strong and nice. Have a look how long does this take to me, and it's very portable. You can bring everywhere. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Hope you enjoy these reviews, and subscribe, press the bell button, and so you can make an update to all my videos. Thank you, and bye bye. Keep safe.